Hey guys, welcome back to the Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to create appointments on Calendly, the easy way to schedule meetings without the back and forth emails. So let's dive in. I will show you 7 different steps to complete this appointment in this video. So first step would be sign up. So you need to create an account with Calendly. Use your Google account. So to do this, you need to go to calendly.com if you are new, but I already have an account and I sign up in my account, and you can see I'm on my dashboard right now. So when you create, just log into your account. Then step two is you'll give you a little overview of the dashboard. So there's a different types of event you can create. Just click, there will be drop down menu, and then you can schedule event. Then I can add the contact. Then you can see your analytic, and then this is your admin center. You can change your password, or if you have anything to change from your account. And this is the help center, so you can, if you have any issue, you can send them any email or contact with them. And then you can create new event types here. When you're creating on your dashboard, there will be one sample event types, so you can play around with this, or you can create a new one from here. Just click create, and then you can find your previous calendar by typing here, and this is your account details. So step 3 would be is creating your own event type. So to create an appointment, click on create, then choose your event types. So what type of event you want to create. So you can create like just only from the tablet, scheduling your regular event, and then one of meetings. Then you can create a meeting polls. So I'm going to use for this tutorial is create new event types, and then from there just click this, and will be host me. Click, and then this is the preview. So you can change the content, you can add logo, you can add your uh, any picture you want to add. So you can play around here, and so you can name the event like here. So I used maybe uh, phone call consultant. Oops. You can put the duration, how long, 15-20 minutes, and you can custom if you want more than hours. So you can use the drop line menu from there, and then location, Zoom, phone call, in person, whatever you want to use. So you just click, maybe I use phone call. I will call my invitee, or if your invitee should call you. So you just click this, and I just click I will call my invitee, and then update, and then add a location. So you can put your location here. So it's automatically changed here, so you can see. So I'm not putting the location, and then you can change the details from here, like share booking page option. So you can change the email address, and um, their any question they have, or you want to ask them anything prepare before your meeting, so they will know from this calendar invitation. Then communication, you can change also same. When you are happy with these templates, you can view live, so they will show you like the preview before you send. So when you are happy with this, you can copy the link, and then you can share, or if you want to use this on your website like WordPress, you just need to click the share button there, and then um, add times to emails. So this is emails and this is add to website. So just click website, and then how you want to embed this link. So you can inline embed, so there will be like a schedule page to your website, so you can see the sample here and pop up widgets, and it will be like a single button here. So when your client click this button, they will bring you those schedule page, and then pop-up text. So if you want like that, add some text and link to your open pop-up page, so you can do this. I'm going to use the first one, just this, and continue, and then you can see there's the embed HTML link here. You just copy the code, go to your website, which page you want to paste, just click there, and from there, if you are using plugin or if you want to embed straight on your page, just insert the HTML code with bracket, so that will be automatically updated to your page when you save and refreshed. That's all for this video. If the video is helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.